Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to discuss more about the date field. Last time we talked about telephone field, an important field, and date is another important field to consider. Why it is important? Because with the right format, the system can calculate calendar dates. When is the next event due, or how many days to the next event, things like that. For that to happen, you need the right format into the date field. Just plain text will not do. Let us look at the details of the date field. Go to the structure and content type, and we are looking at the course. Manage fields, manage display. The difference between these two are this is for the administrator to see all the fields and system fields and all that. This is what you see on the web. So that is the difference between these two. So the date can be inline and the format can be, there are many different formats. This is how many days from today, plain text or custom field you can make. This is the default. Let's say have a bit more closer look. You can set the time. I am in Australia, maybe I can put in the Australian time, Australia, Sydney, and you can choose various dates. By the way, you can also create a custom date if you want. Say for example, if you want only time or something, you can set it up. So let's update this one. Now you save. In the configuration, you go to date and time format, regional settings, all that. Regional setting. Then I can change the region to my country. I'm in Australia at the moment, so let's Australia. Save configuration. The configuration is saved. Go back to configuration, and this time date and time format. So these are the date and time format already set by the default installation. For example, you can change the description of it, or you can add a new time field if you like. Let's add a new field. For example, I just want to show time only. Say a time only. So how do we do that? The time formatting is done through a PHP code, and this is the manual for it. I can open it in a new tab, and you see all the date field and all the code for it. I think the best way to learn this is you put this window side by side and experiment. You can arrange the windows side by side like this and start experimenting. Say for example, this F, it says March, or what this means, it is showing the month. Say comma J is the date, as you can see. It's like that. You can just experiment with all these different PHP codes. Say if I just put Y, that is the year. So you can go ahead and experiment with these PHP code. Anyway, for let's create time only. For time only, the code is GI then A. A means AM or PM. If I put that, it gives just the time. So you can experiment with times. Add format. So what happens is that time only, where is this? Here. That time only is now available for our site. If you go back to structure and content type and go to manage field, manage display, and in the course date, there is a configuration in the wheel. So you can have a new field we just created. See that time only field, you can have it if you want. The idea is you can create the custom times. if you need it. All right. For our purpose, just leave it default medium date, update, and save. The setting has been saved. That's how you set up custom times. In this session, we learned about the another important field called the date field. We created a custom field using PHP codes. So that is how you do it. Thank you.